Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact support in Tempo app. Tempo is a creative video editing app that allows users to make eye-catching short videos using templates, music syncs and effects. If you face issues such as login problem, export errors, subscription questions or the app glitches, contacting Tempo support is the best way to get help. So let's begin. First, you need to unlock your phone and open to the Tempo app and make sure the app is fully loaded and you are on the home screen now. Tap on the profile icon usually located in the bottom right corner and this will open your account and personal profile pages. Over here you can open to the setting in the top right. Over here what you can do is scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the contact us icon. Just below the Instagram, tap on the contact us. Over here if you want any of the help and feedback, you can simply submit a feedback as well, but you can simply enter over here, upload a picture of the video to describe the problem if you want, and Tempo support will review your message and respond through the app or your registered email. And that's how you can contact the support in the Tempo app easily and correctly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.